custom the things, custom the weeds. I had to custom the vibe, custom the link. Cover the back of the line, front cover magazine. Cover your eyes, cut to the back of the V. Yeah, I chemistry, just like the trap at the V. My misery, really ain't nothing to see. I got a travel to V.
Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. If you are new here, welcome, and if you guys are existing subscribers, welcome back to another video. So I just wanted to introduce the vlog and open it up, let you guys know that this is a video dump, that I'm trying to get rid of all my videos that I have that's no longer needed. So this is old. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Weekends are probably like the actual busiest time, and they need all hands and bodies on deck, and I appreciate that because I've been working in the food industry for about since I was 16, so hell of a long time, y'all. So I really do want to say, like, I appreciate that people just working hard, but then I just pray that everything works out fine as far as, like, you know, you overwork and all that extra stuff. But overall, I appreciate these fast foods when they take their time to give you hot food, to take their time to be a good service to you, good customer service. Because good customer, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, good customer service will win me over every time, baby. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I need your help.
Oh no, what?
Yes, I need your help. It's something small. Okay, so I have a blonde wig.
Alright.
And I want to transition it over to black.
Oh, that's easy.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Should I say good almost afternoon around this time? I'm only going to be picking up the camera only if I'm doing something, y'all, because I don't want to just pick up the camera if I'm just at home and not doing anything. So that's basically how it's gonna go, you know. So if you are new here, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, welcome to the vloggy vlog, welcome. And if you guys are existing subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. But I'm actually about to head to Marshall's to find me I have some makeup brushes, but I wanted to get a contour brush and a face powder brush. Or should I not say a face powder brush? I'm just looking for some new brushes because I already have brushes, but like I mentioned before, I really want to get me a contour brush because when I be contouring my face, it's like I need a better brush. So that's what I'm going to do now. And then once I do that, because I may end up purchasing something else, who knows. I want to go to the grocery store, but then I don't know if I want to do that either, because I'm on crunch time right now and find time for me to pick up the dog on camera and to start vlogging. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do, right? So I'm about to, because Marshall's and Ross are right on side of each other, so I'm gonna go to both of them and see what I can find, because that's what I mainly wanted to go there for, a brush. I may end up getting something else. Who knows? I might end up finding something else. I don't know yet. But you guys will just come along with me in the store to see what I found and what I'm gonna get. And hope you guys are having a good day whenever you're looking at this. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night or whatever the case may be. But baby, I need to find me somewhere to park so we can be able to go up in this store. I have not been to Ross and Marshall's since, I think the last time I've been here was probably around the holidays, and it was around Christmas, y'all. So if we are in March, I have not been shopping, like talking about, because I just have not been. And I usually want to come every week usually I'll be wanting to shop every week, but it just ain't been working for me. So I'm about to go ahead in here and look for something, and if I don't find it, it's fine. It's no big deal. It's not like I necessarily need it right away, but I'm about to go up in, we about to go up in here and see what we can find. And yeah, I'll see you guys up in the store. Okay, y'all, Ross didn't have that much to offer, So we're heading now to Marshall's, which is next door.
We gotta find some tea. My models close by the couch. You wanna wait with the wave? Stacks in my pouch. You know it jump at the house. You come with 2 in the slave. Know the brown is my favorite. Then my bro gon' walk you out. Step by step, watch yourself. Cleaners got anything you might have left. I couldn't do none of this by myself. With my VO, they in the tub. I gave you 50 to boost up your butt. I gave you the juice, you had to get butt. I dropped the juice. We gotta find some tea.
Y'all know how I do. I do a little haul real quick, real fast. So this is a raw and wholesome food certified organic super greens powder. So I'm gonna be mixing this in my actual water in the morning time so I can get my greens in. I also got a detox eye roller for from First Aid Beauty, under eye puffiness, dark circles, fine lines. This what helps with your under eyes. So I'm probably gonna start, we'll start using this tomorrow. I ended up picking up the dogs some smart sticks and stuff like that for them whenever they start, you know, doing what they need to do as far as peeing on a pad and stuff like that, and doing what they gotta do to get rewarded. So I ended up picking up this actual contour brush, and this is by Japanesca, whatever, y'all. So this is how it looks. This is actually how we are looking. And that was all, y'all. That's all I got. I'm about to apply this right now on camera. So I'm gonna start applying these under my eyes in the morning and at night to see if it actually does any justice to my under eyes, because I do have dark circles. So I wanted to see if it'll help some kind of way, you know. I might have to make me a doctor's appointment to get some blood work done, because I don't know why my eyes are looking yellow. I feel like my eyeballs aren't as white as they're supposed to be. See if I can get blood work done to make sure that I'm okay, because I don't know if you guys can see, my eyes playing tricks on me, or do my eyes look like they're yellow to y'all? Comment below and let me know if my eyes look on this actual camera, because from what I see, my eyes look a little yellow. I may be looking at something different, but yeah. We rating this restaurant. So out of 1 through 5, what you think?
I give them a 3. I'll come back here.
Well, why you give them a 3?
Because there's a lot of people in here, and like people moving around, and like the servers got other tables and stuff like that. But other than that, you know, it was packed to capacity, and that's why. I'll come back.
And my rate, I'll be about 3-2, because the meat was dry. The meat was dry. The service was good.
Why the meat was dry? What you had? What did you eat? Tell them what you eat so they don't eat it.
I had rotisserie chicken and sweet potato with the green beans. Now the mashed potato and the green beans was good, but the rotisserie chicken, I feel like it needed more seasoning. So what you had?
I had the fish in the bag, which was really good.
You gotta drink
seasoned. I had corn on the side with, I think, what that was?
Corn on the side?
Yeah, I had corn on the side. It was all seasoned and good. It was all blended in well. I would get that again. I recommend you to get that. Fish in the bag. And I also had some oysters.
He loved oysters, y'all, because he had oysters at the last restaurant we went to.
I had oysters at 18 Steaks. I had oysters at Mike Anderson. I had oysters at Hell Shell. I had oysters at Ichiban. I had orchards at like a couple of the best orchards I
Everywhere
ever
he
ate
go.
in my life was orchards at La Berge, 18 states.
If you have a
The
La
best
Berge in your
orchard
area.
Ever.
Yep.
And I've been drinking too, so.
So y'all tell my brother happy birthday in the comments. Y'all be rude. Tell him happy birthday. I'll get back with y'all later.
Making your 35th birthday, you shouldn't be feeling the way what we did now. So that's what she was saying. She texted Tori. That's what it is. If it's going straight to voicemail, she mad. But we going to eat tacos tonight. I want to kind of give him enough time to get dressed and stuff.
Yeah.
So, but then I'm afraid if I go to her house, she might not even open the door for me. I would be so mad if she don't open that door for me, Mama.
Well, call me back.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Alright.
Magnetic eyelashes. And I'm glue because the glue that I have, what I'm using now today. And my birthday was chill. But my sister's birthday is today. And she think that we don't have anything planned. But I literally have something planned. I want to go run and get her. Did I brush my teeth this morning? I did brush my teeth this morning, right? Yeah, I brushed my teeth. And I really wanted to go ahead and get her a cake with her name on it, which is something simple. A card and literally some flowers. Just to kind of lighten the mood up because I could just call her phone, y'all. And her phone went straight to voicemail. For some odd reason, she's just in her feelings. But, yeah. For whatever that is. But I had a mind of waiting on her kids to get out of school and pick them up because the school let out at 12:30, and I got a mind of getting them out of school. And we're going to get the cake and ice cream. And not a cake and ice cream, getting the cake, the card, and the flowers for her. But the way how she's rolling, as if she's mad, but I literally think she's gonna be okay. She's just in her feelings right now. I know she wanted to go get her nails did because I'm gonna watch the baby. I'm gonna watch my niecey poo while she go get that done. And mind y'all, it's supposed to be raining today, but I'm not gonna let the rain stop me. I'm doing what I gotta do. Y'all, these are magnetic glass eyelashes, but I want to get some more natural looking ones. And this is what I got on right now, y'all. This is by Ardell, and this is the duo glue, but I gotta get some more because it's the magnetic glue and it's kind of dried out. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but as you guys can tell that I had to put some more glue in the inner corner of my eye to kind of get them to stay with the magnetic glue. So I find that this magnetic lashes are more helpful for me because I wear contacts, and sometimes when I be wearing contacts and I have to wear this this glue for the actual lashes, it does not work well with my eyes. So I'm starting to feel like I like this way better, the magnetic eyelashes, better than the actual putting the glue on the lashes and then letting them dry. But that's just too much for me. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and finish up my coffee right quick and head out of the door. My nephews, they get out of school at 12:30. I'm literally gonna go pick them up at school, and we're gonna go ahead and get the stuff for my sister. And then once we get all the stuff for her, we're gonna surprise her because she's not expecting this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna weigh my option. I'm gonna go ahead and run and get my nails cut down real quick, and then once I get my nails cut down real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of push that time and go get my nephews. I don't think they don't even know that I'm coming to get them either. But so I'm going to go ahead and get this done. I'm going to finish my coffee, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my nails cut down because they're a little too long right now, and I'm about to be typing and working from home. But that's a different video for another situation thingy. But I'm about to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to catch up with you guys.
karakichelle.